Good day, everybody. Kurt with Cruisin Classics here. Check out this baby. It's in the form of a 2002 Pontiac Trans Am. This is the WS6 package, the performance package, which includes the 5.7 liter or LS1 engine. Beautiful inside and out. This is a 53,000 actual mile automatic. Lots of options. Please go to our website. Check out all those. That includes, of course, power steering, power disc brakes on all four, air conditioning. Looks like a 3.5-inch plug to plug in your phone to the stereo. Beautiful buckets. That is a navy blue exterior, a camel interior with driver quality paint. Beautiful car. Once again, the WS6 package, beautiful hood. Along with that LS1 with the WS6 package, you get larger injectors, better airflow at various temperatures. They've done a bunch of stuff. I suggest maybe go and check out the WS6 S6, once again, package. Lots and lots of good stuff. Very, very cool car, very fast car. Torque is a key word with this ride. In 2002, born with 325 horsepower and time 0 to 60 in less than 5 seconds. Cool car. Starts right up. Sounds great. You heard it. You can come on in and check this baby out yourself, or you can send an inspector, mechanic, whomever you'd like. This is a cool last year Trans Am WS6. Give us a call. Let us answer any questions that we can on this car, any others that we have in stock. Go to our website at cruisinclassicsinc.com. Check out all the pictures, all the other cars and trucks that we have in stock. Well worth your time. And as always, thank you from all of us at Cruisin Classics.